Hi friends, welcome to Eezytutorials. In this video, we are going to see nearly 60 vegetables. Let's get started. Yay! What is this vegetable?
Lady's finger. Lady's finger.
What is this lean and long vegetable?
Drumstick. Drumstick.
These vegetables are in white, violet and green color. What are they?
Brinjal or eggplant.
What is this leafy vegetable?
Cabbage. Cabbage.
What is this flower-like vegetable in white color?
Cauliflower. Cauliflower.
Another flower-like vegetable in green color.
Broccoli. Broccoli.
This leafy vegetable is?
Lettuce. Lettuce.
What is this greeny vegetable?
Beans. Beans.
Little bit broader, and this is?
Broad beans. Broad beans.
Find this.
Black-eyed peas or cowpeas. Black-eyed peas.
This is?
Butter beans. Butter beans.
These beans are seen in cluster. What are they?
Cluster beans. Cluster beans.
What is this colorful beans?
Soya beans. Soya beans.
Small round vegetable. What is this?
Peas. Peas.
What is this orange color vegetable?
Carrot. Carrot.
And this is?
Radish. Radish.
Nice maroon color vegetable. What is this?
Beetroot. Beetroot.
Find this.
Kohlrabi or German turnip.
Favorite vegetable. What is this?
Potato. Potato.
What is this?
Plantain. Plantain.
The flower of it is?
Plantain flower. Plantain flower.
The stem of it is?
Plantain stem. Plantain stem.
What is the sour vegetable?
Raw mango. Raw mango.
Very big vegetable. What is this?
Pumpkin. Squash gourd. Pumpkin. Squash gourd.
And this big vegetable in white color is?
Ash gourd. Winter melon or white pumpkin. White pumpkin.
Very bitter vegetable.
Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd.
And this long vegetable is?
Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd.
Very small. What are they?
Ivy gourd. Little gourd. Little gourd.
And this is?
Ridge gourd. Ridge gourd.
Snake-like vegetable. What is this?
Snake gourd. Snake gourd.
And this is?
Choco or chayote. Choco.
Salad vegetable. What is this?
Cucumber. Cucumber.
A fruit always used as vegetable. What is this?
Tomato. Tomato.
Don't cry. What is this?
Onion. Onion.
And this is?
Garlic. Garlic.
Healthy vegetable for digestion. What is this?
Ginger. Ginger.
Drink water if you eat me.
Green chili. Green chili.
And if it is in red color, that is?
Red chili. Red chili.
These are seen in different color. What are they?
Capsicum or bell pepper. Capsicum.
What are these leaves?
Cilantro or coriander. Coriander.
And these leaves are?
Curry leaves. Curry leaves.
These leaves have good aroma. What are they?
Mint leaves. Mint leaves.
And this is?
Coconut. Coconut.
What is this yellow color veggie?
Lemon. Lemon.
And this is?
Corn or maize. Corn or maize.
Very healthy. What is this?
Gooseberry. Gooseberry.
What is this rainy vegetable?
Mushroom. Mushroom.
What is this?
Asparagus. Asparagus.
Find the sticky vegetable.
Colocasia or taro root. Taro root.
And this is?
Elephant foot yam. Elephant foot yam.
And these are?
Yam. Yam.
Another variety of it. What is this?
King yam. King yam.
Such a sweet vegetable. What is this?
Sweet potato. Sweet potato.
And this is?
Tapioca. Tapioca.
Find this.
Turnip. Turnip.
These are?
Palmyra sprout. Palmyra tuber.
Very small. What
Small
is?
tuber. Small tuber.
These green leaves are?
Spinach. Spinach.
These are?
Spring onion. Spring onion.
Guess this.
Celery. Celery.
Find this.
Fenugreek leaves. Fenugreek leaves.
And finally, these are?
Google leaves. Google leaves.
Hope you loved the video. For more animated videos, stay tuned to Eezytutorials. Your valuable comments are always welcome. Like, share and subscribe to Eezytutorials. Thanks for watching.